Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate source for honest and detailed product reviews. Today, we have something truly special to talk about. The ever-pretty women's classic V-neck Mermaid Bodycon Slit wedding dress, a stunning choice for brides-to-be. If you're on the hunt for the best wedding dress in the market, you've come to the right place. This exquisite wedding dress, available in a beautiful shade of white, is designed to make any bride feel like a princess on her big day. It's no wonder it's garnered a lot of attention and positive reviews. Now, let's dive into the key features that make this dress stand out. First and foremost, the ever-pretty wedding dress features a classic V-neck design that exudes elegance and sophistication. The double V-neck adds a touch of allure, while the side slit adds just the right amount of drama. This dress is all about flaunting your curves. The bodycon fit hugs your figure beautifully, making you look effortlessly stunning. The flowing mermaid silhouette of this dress balances out all the style elements to perfection. It's designed to make you feel like a true princess on your wedding day. Made from 100% polyester, this dress is not just beautiful but also comfortable to wear. It's fully lined and comes with a high stretch, ensuring you can move around with ease. While it's perfect for weddings, this dress is also versatile enough for other special occasions. Whether it's a formal party, prom, or an evening event, you can count on this dress to make you look stunning. One of the best things about Everpretty is that they offer stylish and affordable dresses. This means you can look like $1 million without breaking the bank. And remember, this dress is not just for one-time wear. You can enjoy it on various occasions. Now, let's see what real customers have to say about this wedding dress. Customers absolutely love this dress. They rave about the quality, comfort, appearance, value, and fit. Many mention that the dress is well made with thick material and beautifully accentuates their curves. In conclusion, the ever-pretty women's classic V-neck Mermaid Bodycon Slit wedding dress is a true gem in the world of bridal fashion. With its stunning design, comfortable fit, and affordable price, it's no wonder it's become a top choice for brides. So, if you're in search of the best wedding dress, look no further. This dress will make your special day even more memorable. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Also, feel free to leave your thoughts and questions in the comments section below. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.